how to buy Shentu Chain token. So this token came under the symbol of CTK. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. So now you can buy this token on your MEXC account. Now first of all, open your MEXC like that. Now if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down the description and you will be able to find the referral link or create an account on MEXC to benefit from yours and find your account in some USDT. Now in the search bar, now type CTK like that. Now after find this pair, now make sure that under spot, now click on it. Now wait a few seconds to load this page. Now after what you need to do in the spot, now type how much you want to buy like that, and here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of that USDT on your account. Now click on buy CTK. In about a few seconds you will be able to receive or your to see your token added to your account. So this is how to buy CTK token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.